I hate this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solves it. If your LinkedIn account has been suspended, don't worry, there are steps you can take to recover it. Step 1. Understand the reason. Before you take action, check your email for a message from LinkedIn explaining the suspension. This will help you understand what led to the issue. Step 2. Visit the LinkedIn Help Center. Go to the LinkedIn Help Center and search for suspended account. This will provide you with specific guidance on how to proceed. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Follow the instructions to submit an appeal. Fill out the form with accurate information and explain why you believe your account should be reinstated. Step 4. Verify your identity. LinkedIn may ask you to verify your identity. Be prepared to provide any requested information such as a government ID or other identification. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal and verification, wait for LinkedIn to respond. This can take several days, so be patient. If you don't hear back, you can follow up. If you follow these steps, you should be on your way to recovering your LinkedIn account. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further help.